If you've been using Expensify, you know it's a powerhouse for expense reports. But as your team grows or your business complexity increases, a simple one-step approval often just doesn't cut it. You need a system that adapts to your structure. The big question we hear all the time is, can you create custom approval workflows in Expensify? Can you route high-dollar reports to the CEO, while mileage reports just go to the department head? The short answer is yes, absolutely. And it's handled through a feature called Approval Workflow. When you first set up your workspace, Expensify automatically establishes a default flow. Typically, that's the submitter's direct manager. But for a customized solution, you'll dive into your settings, navigate to Workspaces, and then select Group. From there, you'll find the Workflows tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you define rules for who approves an expense report before it gets reimbursed. Expensify allows for multiple sequential approval steps. You can set it up to go from the immediate manager, then to the finance team for final review. Or, you can use conditional approval. This is crucial for real customization. You can build rules based on the report total, the expense category, or even the department the employee belongs to. For example, let's create a rule: any report over $5,000 must be approved by both the direct manager and the CFO. Another rule could be, all travel expenses must be reviewed by the travel coordinator first, regardless of amount. You define the condition, and then you define the approver for that condition. Expensify handles the routing automatically. It's important to remember the order of your rules matters. Expensify processes them from top to bottom. Once a report meets the criteria for a rule, that workflow is applied. If it doesn't meet any of your custom rules, it defaults back to the basic workflow you've set up, which is your safety net. This structure ensures that no report gets lost in the ether. This level of customization isn't just about control, it's about efficiency and compliance. It removes the manual step of someone in accounting having to figure out who should see which report. The right eye see the right dollar amounts every single time, without an email trail that's miles long. It's the difference between streamlining your operations and struggling with bottlenecks. So, yes, ditch the static, one-size-fits-all approach. Take control of your expense process and build a workflow that truly matches your company's hierarchy and policies. If you found this breakdown of Expensify's approval workflow helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your expense management. We cover a new finance tech feature every week.